What the fuck is good, YT? What the fuck is going down? And I am back with another videos, bitches. Happy motherfucking Black History Month, hoes. If you didn't know, it was Black History. I said Black Mystery. Black History Month, bitches. Black History Month, and we on a whole lot of gang shit. You know what I mean? Like Black Lives Matter. Always have been. Always will be mattering. You know what I mean? So this video right here is going to be my first video of February 2019. And this is going to be about, what was this supposed to be about? Oh, story time. Hi you guys. So if you like story times and you want to see videos like this, thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. I got my talk my shit pillow. I'm about to talk my cold cash shit, bitches. Fuck is what you talk about. So what was it? So I made a song called wuap. And yeah, that song is crazy. It's crazy. So watch the page. You think you go listen to it? It exposes a lot of DL man. And let's just get into this because this is gonna be a story about DL man. So I had a DL dude. I got a DL dude named. I'm trying to think of the name there. We're gonna call him Mickey. Okay. He's a snizzy. He's cute, but he's like one of them cute hood niggas. Like, you feel what I'm saying? Like, he's from the South Side, and he's just cute as fuck. Like, he's just ghetto. But like, he hit me up, and he was like, what's going on with you? I'm like, what's going on with you? He was like, I'm trying to fuck with you. I'm like, I'm trying to fuck with you. He was like, what's up? I'm like, what's up? Well, I said, it ain't nothing to it but the two little daddy. Get a little bit excited. Make me want to come over and try it. Yes, ma'am. So, what happened was, he sent my messages on Facebook Messenger, trying to get at a young bitch. And I'm like, what's up, daddy? And we start talking or whatever. And I'm just like, I don't even know what it. I'm just chilling with him, watching this movie about fucking, I don't even know what the fuck it's about. But he's still trying to, you know, kiss on my neck and stuff like that. I'm like, boy, now you better stop because it's going to lead to stuff that you don't want it to lead to. You know what I mean? So, I just feel like, I don't know, like, Mickey had it. He had it all together. But what lost me was when he was like, send me a picture of your dick. And I'm like, for what? Because you're supposed to be a top. Or not even that. You're supposed to be a straight nigga. Why are you asking for a picture of my dick for, girl? Like, I don't understand. But I didn't have time for that, so I didn't get sent to him. But my thing was, what the moral of the story was, the moral of the story is, next week we be fucking DL gay. And as far as speaking on wuap, I think people don't understand that. I really didn't expose nobody that wasn't already exposed. I'm not going to expose my real niggas because they make sure a bitch is straight. If you make sure I'm good, baby, you good. So you don't got to worry about nothing. But with that being said, let's go back to Mickey. So Mickey was in my phone talking about, I need to come see you. I want you to be my little secret. I want you to do this, that, and that. I'm like, boy, who gonna be a little secret? I am grown as fuck. I will not be in nobody's little secret. I am too grown to be somebody's motherfucking little secret. And this man gonna tell me I want to just give you head all the time, like. He said your dick is just so big and I just want to give you head all the time. I'm like, oh my god, why are you talking to me like this? I thought you like pussy. And then I was like, he was like, you ain't gonna tell nobody about this, is you? I'm like, no. Which, I mean, I'm telling you on my YouTube, but I'm not telling you on his name, so y'all know what I'm talking about. So with that being said, he was like, you ain't gonna tell nobody, is you? I'm like, no. And he was like, well, I want to be my little secret and I want to fuck with you all the time. And I'm like, boy, I'm grown. Like, I came out 3-4 years ago. I ain't got no time for nobody's little secret. I don't do that no more, baby. We passed that stage, child. We can't even do it with your little daddy. But you cute though, and your dick's big as hell, and I don't understand how. But yeah, like niggas just really be wild as fuck for like, I'm not about to fucking be DL for the rest of my life or be in a deal relationship. Like, it's just not gonna work. Like, it's just not gonna work. And if you like videos like this, thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Cause I do videos like this all the time, girl. And this was like a little quick little something. Like I said, happy Valentine's Day. And if you guys like to buy clothes, go on my website at wuap's latest fashion. It'll be in my bio. And yeah, you can get you some stuff off. Use code WAP for money off. And yes, girls, I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one, bitches.